Welcome to today's video. What you're looking at is one of the most iconic muscle cars, the 1969 Pontiac GTO. This car has undergone a 2-year restoration with modern touches and is listed at $42,000. But is it worth the price? Let's dive into the pros and cons. First, let's talk about the pros of this car. 1. Design and quality restoration. This car has been meticulously restored over 2 years. There's no rust, and the new paint, sourced from a 2001 Peugeot, looks absolutely stunning under the sunlight. It's a perfect blend of modern vibrance and classic style. 2. Engine and performance. Powered by a restored Pontiac 400 engine with less than 1,000 miles since the rebuild, this car promises reliability and classic muscle car performance. The Turbo 400 transmission has also been freshly serviced, ensuring a smooth ride. 3. Modern interior comforts. The interior combines seats from a 2006 GTO, professionally installed, with Mercedes-grade black carpeting and an upgraded audio system. It's a unique mix of classic design and modern comfort. 4. Safety features. With 4-wheel disc brakes and a new brake booster, this car ensures a safe driving experience even at high speeds. These upgrades add significant value to the overall package. Of course, there are a few considerations to keep in mind before deciding on this car. 1. Extremely loud exhaust. The dual exhaust system with a crossover tube produces a thunderous roar. While exciting for enthusiasts, it might not be ideal for daily driving in quieter neighborhoods. 2. Non-original modifications. Some modifications, such as the 2006 GTO seats and modern audio system, may not appeal to collectors seeking a fully original classic car. 3. Premium price tag. At $42,000, this car is not cheap. However, for a high-quality restoration like this, the price may be justified for the right buyer. 4. Location. The car is located just outside Gulf, south of Sacramento. If you're interested, be prepared for a trip to inspect it in person. So, what do you think? The 1969 Pontiac GTO Restored Custom is a fascinating mix of classic muscle car heritage and modern upgrades. Is it your dream car, or would you prefer something else? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classic car content. See you in the next video.